Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Warzone data center status and picking the nearest region in-game. This reduces routing issues. Next, restart your router and plug in Ethernet. Wi-Fi adds packet loss. Once done, update the game and the platform client to rule out version mismatches and close overlays or background downloads that steal bandwidth. These actions quickly eliminate common blockers, so you can move to deeper network fixes if the problem persists. Now tackle the network stack. Flush DNS, release and renew your IP so stale entries disappear. Then set public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to improve resolution reliability. Make sure UPnP is enabled on your router or forward the Warzone ports to your console/PC so connections can establish. Check your NAT, open is best. Also disable any VPN or proxy and create a firewall rule to allow the game. These steps address routing and permission-related failures. Finish by resetting the network stack or reinstalling Warzone if corrupted files or settings remain suspect. These are last resort fixes that often resolve hidden issues. Collect connection logs, exact timestamps, and a trace route to the data center before contacting support. That data speeds diagnosis. If support is slow, try a short VPN test to determine whether your ISP or the data center is blocking traffic. If the VPN restores connectivity, share that finding with support as a key troubleshooting tip to target routing or peering problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.